Let's look at Pikachu, the model kit. Join me, will you? And welcome back. Let's take a look at this kit and let's build it. And here's the Pikachu model kit from Bandai Spirits. Was released in 2019. And you can see here, snap by hand kit. Let's look inside the contents. Right away, we have some very bright plastic parts in here. The instructions. And the parts key, all the parts that are included. Talks about how to find the parts, how to remove the parts, and how to place stickers. And first thing we do, looks like we work on the head, the eyes, and start working on the body. And continuing on the body, then we start assembling the face onto the body, the ears, the feet, and the tail. Very cool. This kit has seen some better days because a lot of stuff has fallen off the trees already. And here's both sprue trees out of the bag. We have sprue tree A1 and A2. A1 comprising mostly of the head, and 2 comprising most of the body with the feet and the tail. We also received the stickers, so let's get a closer look. And here's the tree, and I did put the part back in its place where it would have went, but here's the head, or the face itself. This is a snap together kit. I would say this is a great beginner kit for kids, and be a good idea to get this during the holidays as a present. You want to get one of your kids started in the hobby. This would be a perfect kit for that. But there you go. And the sticker. There you go. Here's the next tree, and you can see I did place some parts in where they fell off the tree. So the main body itself, you can see that. And just a little close up there. All the different color plastic injected on this. Typical Bandai. Makes for a very nice kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and build this next. And we just remove these parts off the trees here. This one too. And we'll go ahead and first steps, we put in the eyes, and it is angled, that, so it's going to go in similar to that, into the angle, and it's just going to snap right in, just like that. Next, the mouth goes in. And perfect. And we put this part together here. That just snaps together just like that. And then this will go into the torso. And just like that. Then we'll put the body halves together. Just like that. This part here goes just like that. And that goes in there like that. Okay. And remember that this has to be facing downwards, both sides. That's what they're showing. And on top, those little nubs there. Now we can put the face on. That snaps on. And that's how that looks there. Snap together. That one. And that one. The ears. Like that. And there and there. And one arm there. And the other arm right here. And they simply insert into there and there. Perfect. And they go in only one way, kind of line up with the tabs. One there, and one there. And that foot there, and that foot there. That's how he looks there. Okay, snap together there, into that, and snap together the tail, and the tail goes in like that. And that's how that looks. Put the nose on. Do the eyes next. And one eye. And the next one. Like that. Now the mouth. we go. And there's Pikachu, all complete. Very easy to build, easy to follow instructions, and he really looks the part. Like I said, highly recommend this for the smaller beginner modeler. No glue required, no paint required, and it looks very nice. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Happy modeling, everybody, and
Take care.